So can you see your sperm moving in the vicinity of your house? Can you make a video of your sperm motility and your morphology? So if anybody says that yes, you can do it, definitely a male will be very excited, because they don't have to face all the embarrassment that they go to a center and then they have to give the sample, or they have to maintain sexual abstinence. They have to go between that period only to the center and give the sample. So it is emotionally also very taxing for them. Plus obviously the work hours are also used for them. They have to take a 1-day leave for that. So these all problems are solved because you can do your home sperm test, in which by a device that can be couriered to it, or you can take it from the center. You can connect it through your iOS or your Android phone, and you can make a video of the sperms moving. This video can be sent to any doctor, or you can save it. You can see that video again and again, because you can see how your sperms are moving, what is the morphology of the sperm. Plus a WHO authenticated report can be generated by that. You don't have to take anybody's help. That is a do-it-yourself technique. So it is a big boon for all the males who want to get their sperm tested, but they don't want to get involved with people, because it is very embarrassing for many of them. We understand that totally, and it is a boon for them. It is a blessing in disguise, then that they can start their treatment very early, because many times what happens, the report that is generated, that is like very low sperm count, or the patient is not able to give the sample, like the sample doesn't reach the center on time, or the patient feels that they ejaculated and gave the sample, but the technician saw the sample after 2 hours, 3 hours, that they should have seen earlier. So these all mishaps will be like stopped by this, and they will be more confident after seeing this report and after saving this video, which they can watch again and again. We care about you.